Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about tofu and how to store your tofu when you get it home. Tofu that has been removed from its original packaging should be placed in an airtight container and stored in the refrigerator. It should be used within 1 week of purchase. If you can't use it within that time, remove any liquid from the container and slice the tofu and return it back to that covered container and place it in the freezer for up to 3 months. To thaw the frozen tofu, place it in the refrigerator overnight and then use it as desired. Here's a tip for helping your tofu to last a little bit longer. If you won't be using an entire block of tofu at one time, put the unused tofu in a container, cover it with fresh water, place the lid on the container and store it in the refrigerator. Important, change the water every day and use it within 5 days. Tofu should be a creamy white or off-white in color and have a neutral aroma. If it darkens in color, begins to smell a little odd, or feels slimy, please do not eat it. It should be discarded. Well, I do hope this helps you out. Take care and bye for now.